しほです。Welcome to Happy Hoopy Life! Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do 2-beat weave trick. Double weave, double ninja, whatever you want to call. It looks like this. So if you want to learn this trick, hopefully you get to see at the end of the video. You will need some time to practice to get this trick. But I have a tips how to do this trick. Let's go! So first, I'm using yellow hula hoop for my right hand and pink hula hoop on my left hand. So it's easier to understand when I explain this trick. So I believe everyone can do ninja trick. If you cannot do the ninja trick yet, you can watch my previous video. I designed the video for kids, but if you are beginners, it's also useful content. So you can watch my previous video and learn. But quickly review ninja trick. So when you do ninja trick, double weave trick, don't hold the hula hoop really strong. You can gently hold the hula hoop and then bring the hula hoop in front of you and then flip and flip. And make sure you can do ninja trick on both hands, left and right. Left and right. So once you can do weave on both hands, let's start to work on 2-beat weave. Let's work on one by one. Let's work on your right hand and then hop. You put your arm in front of you, nice and straight, and do the ninja trick. Cross over your other arm and make sure when you do weave trick, you don't do too close to your body, otherwise you're gonna stuck. So make sure your hand is a little bit far from your body. Yes. And then once you're comfortable doing a right hand weave with your other hand, try with left hand and then do the same. Put your arm nice and straight in front of you and then do the ninja. Top over your other arm, cross over your other arm. So this is really important to practice when you work on 2-beat weave. Now once you are really comfortable doing the weave trick, crossing over your other arms, you can work for both hula hoops at the same time. Now you can pick up which arm you go first, either right hand or left hand. Doesn't matter because later on we have to be able to do both hands, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to start with left hand first. Left hand, which I have pink hula hoop. Left hand and start yellow hand. Make sure your left hand, pink hula hoop, left hand is bottom, always bottom of your right hand. So my left hand, my pink hula hoop hand, I would say my pink hula hoop hand, it's easier. My pink hula hoop hand is bottom of my yellow hula hoop hand. Yes, and then following each other. Now you understand why you don't want to do too close to your body. You want to do nice and comfortable. Take some distance from your body. Yeah. And then make sure your hand is not too far. Your hand is close. Yep, close to each other. Your hand is close to each other. Close to each other. This will take lots of muscle. So make sure you massage, you stretch out your arms between your practice. And then now, once you can do right pink hula hoop. Once you can do double weave, 2-beat weave, practice to start other hand first. So before I start pink hand hula hoop first, so now I want to practice yellow hand hula hoop first. Yellow hand hula hoop first, and then this hand is gonna be a bottom of your pink hand hula hoop. If you start yellow hand first, your yellow hand hula hoop go on your bottom of your other hand, other arm. Yeah. And why you have to practice both arms? Because later on you want to do 3-beat weave, might be switching, so it's important to practice both hands. You need to be able to double weave in both hands. Pink hula hoop under or left hula hoop under. So hopefully this video helped you a little bit to get 2-beat weave. It's a tricky trick, but you get it if you practice. I practice a lot and this became one of my favorite tricks. So yeah, hopefully you can do it. And if you think this video helped you a little bit, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe Happy Hoopy Life channel. On my channel, I have hula hoop tutorial, hula hoop dance, kids project, and my blog and short word hula hoop. Everything is about hula hoop. And if you subscribe my channel, you can join my Happy Hoopy Life. Let's do more hula hoop together. Thank you very much for watching the video. ありがとう。また